This is another new type of question and an interesting question. Let us try to solve it. Sunayana started walking from A and walked south 40 meters to B. So this is where A is there. Sunayana is walking A to south to 40 meters to reach B. This is point B, and she is walking 40 meters to reach point B. She turned left and walked 60 meters to point C. She turned right and walked 40 meters to D. She turned right and walks another 40 meters to D. And there she stops. Now Sunayana wants to go back from D to A using the shortest route. D to A, which is the shortest route? I told you straight line is the shortest route. Now D to A, this is the shortest route. And Sunayana has to go from D to A, she has to go through this route. Now what is the question? What is the distance she has to cover if she has to go through this route? Now this is a slightly ticklish question because this is a right angled triangle, this is a right angled triangle. We know this side is 40, we know this side is also 40. But at what point this line intersects BC? We do not know. So if we know, then we can calculate this and arrive at this hypotenuse, then we can calculate this using Pythagoras theorem and arrive at. But we do not know at what point it is intersecting. So how to calculate the distance from A to D? For that we will do a little jugglery by way of extension. Now let us extend this triangle. Call this X. Now in triangle AXD, this is 90 degree, and therefore AXD is a right angled triangle. And we know this is 40 and BX is another 40. And we know BC is 60. So XD is 60. Now in triangle AXD is a right angled triangle, and therefore AD square is equal to AX square plus DX square. AX square is how much? 80 square plus DX square is how much? 60 square. This is equal to 6400 plus 60 into 60, 3600 is equal to 10,000. And AD is root of 10,000 is equal to 100. Now the shortest distance AD, which is the hypotenuse for triangle AXD, we using Pythagoras theorem, by extending this line to here, we have drawn a new triangle called AXD, and using Pythagoras theorem we have found out the distance AD, which is the shortest distance from D to A, which is 100 meters. So the answer is option C, 100 meter. Let us check the answer slide. Yes, the answer is 100 meter. Let us look at the map slide. Yes, map slide also corresponds to what we have drawn. So there may be this kind of problems where you have to draw some extensions and arrive at the hypotenuse of the new right angled triangle.